How to get rid of crickets in your house. In this video, you will learn how to take simple measures to control your property cricket population and prevent them from overrunning your basement. Number 1. Catch them with cricket bait. Cricket bait works. This straightforward method lures cricket from nooks and crevices. Mix molasses and water in a shallow basin. Place the bowl where crickets are an issue. When they smell molasses, crickets jump into the bowl. Regularly empty the basin. Hardware stores sell chemical cricket bait. They work the same way. Toxic bait should be kept away from children and pets. Number 2. Set traps. Strictly glued traps collect cricket non-toxically. This is especially important if your children or pets are sensitive to bug spray. Place traps along walls, windows, and doorways. Heat and wetness lure trespassing crickets to insect tunnels. Number 3. Use spray. Cricket spray works well. Spray an all-purpose or cricket-specific spray in corners, along window sills, and in infested areas. These sprays contain hazardous substances